What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I apologize for the delay in videos, but you're gonna love this one. Took a little bit longer to get my hands on this thing than I thought it would. Whole lot of legal issues and stuff like that we had to go through to get it. But I think this is gonna be, no, it's gonna be a bad idea. This is a major project. But I'm pretty excited about it. I mean, projects like this is the kind of stuff that when I was growing up, you know, buying cars and all that, this is kind of what I did. The $500–600 fun project vehicle to try to resurrect and bring back to life. Yeah, we went ahead and got one it's pretty bad. I'm just going to be honest with you, it's pretty bad. So, well, right behind this garage door is it. Let's show it to you. So I went ahead and put my custom racing seat covers on it, and when we went to get it, it's actually kind of nice because it did come with an assortment of keys that will start it. I like to choose the big one, keeps my hands away from anything that's going on in this mess. It's pretty gross in here. It kind of, the smell that comes to mind is probably like a 2:30 in the morning strip club mixed with a whole lot of Taco Bell that didn't settle so right. But I'm gonna go ahead and overpower through it. The guy that stole it was a heavy drug user, so that's always a perk. So of course, you know, typical, they were very nice and easy when they went ahead and demolished the steering column out of it and unhooked a whole bunch of wiring. What I had to do was I got a new ignition module and pulled this out. So now when I want to start it, I gotta stick my screwdriver right in there. We're good to go. For some reason, they put a push button starter over here. We got tons of wiring down here that they went ahead and hacked through. So that's always nice. That'll be just another thing we gotta fix. But as far as the truck goes mechanically, this thing's pretty good. So it doesn't leak a drop. Engine runs good, transmission runs good. But let's go ahead and show you around this thing, give you a little tour. So just looking at everything, it's a Dodge, so typical rust down here in the doors, rust on the inner rocker panels. So this side's not too bad. The bed back here, got a little bit of rust right there, so might be able to cut that out and weld in a new piece, patch it in, but let's see how the other side looks. Yeah, that's definitely a little worse, and oof, that's pretty deep in there. Still okay. Well, kind of see daylight through there. So yeah, it's a good looking truck. Oh boy, we got rust, fist size hole, some kind of a spray on Wally World bed liner, and the sport faded stripe. I'm liking this. Don't know what that's all about, but yeah, sure, okay, that works. A whole bunch of free goodies in the back here. That's always good in case we need to put another rotor on. I don't know. Well, that's not looking too good. Got some oil. Looks like you did an oil change. Batteries everywhere. All of them are dead. Engine looks good. Got her hammer in her. So that was always a plus. Some kind of shredded belt down in here. That's always good. The good thing is, like I said though, it does not leak. So I had to get down here and show you this. We got the old remove the muffler and let her ride, which is always fun. But the problem is we removed the cats too. And this is, ooh, there's the old, hey, my buddy knows how to weld thing going on right there. That's, wow, that's impressive. I'm really liking the baling wire that's holding the sway bar. That's always nice. We'll have to address that, that's for sure. And it's not just on the one side. We're doing it to both sides here. We're getting extra special with it. All right, well, it's super hot out here. It's still about 100 degrees and I think it's like 6 p.m. So I want to get started on the inside of this thing. At first when I got this thing, I'm like, man, you know, like, what happens if this guy that originally stole it like finds out something and comes to steal it again? Don't have to worry about that. Apparently, he had a court date coming up, decided to go ahead and swallow a whole bag of fentanyl, and he clocked out of life. So as far as him coming back to get the truck, not happening. So we're all good. I'm gonna dive in here and clean this thing out. I'm gonna put you guys on a little head mount. You can follow along, see what we're doing. We'll see what kind of treasure we can find in this thing. What do you say? All right, so I am gonna put 2 pairs of gloves on. As far as I know, this thing was used as an Airbnb by pretty much any homeless person that was in the area. So just to be safe, we're gonna double glove. Start yanking some of this crap out of here. Let's get started. All right. Oh my God. Ah, it's even still wet. Ah. Oh. Whoa, looky here. Oh, it looks like blood. I don't know. Apparently the guy did stab his brother, so that's always nice. Ooh. Fancy. So I'm not sure what this is. Looks cool. That's nice. Like I said, the guy did stab his brother apparently. That was in a police report. We did do some digging on the guy. So this could be a murder weapon, I don't know. Let's put that back there for now. What the hell? Hang on. What's that? All right. Well, that's good. we got a needle. We'll just leave that there for right now. That's why I'm glad I got my thicker gloves on, I guess. Hey! Oh, look at this guy. What is in here? Jesus! Another knife. Another one of these. This is absolutely disgusting. Oh, gross. Listen. It's raining. How can we get rid of this? Yeah, it's gross. Holy sheesh. We got us a smoker. Oh, there's the other half of the crack pipe. That's nice. How the hell does this thing come out? Probably gonna have to replace this, but it just seems freaking loose. And when you close it, it hangs up. Okay. Oh, wait. Oh, it's empty. Pulling out all sorts of treasures out of this thing. I got a cop flying overhead. Turn 31. We'll just put you right there. Sweet. I'm gonna wash my hands. All right, well, vacuumed out the interior. My plan is to pull all this stuff out of here. We're gonna power wash and extract the carpet. All right, so like I was saying, we're gonna wind up stripping the whole interior out of this thing, power washing the carpet, extracting it, doing the same thing to the seats, just without the power washer, you know how it is. Doing a full detail on the inside of it. I think she'll clean up pretty good. It's just getting a little late now. I'm starting to lose light, and it's still super hot outside. So I don't know. What do you guys think we should do with this thing? I mean, I think we could turn it back into a full daily and just have fun with it. Like I said, they stripped the cats and the muffler off of it, so I am gonna have to replace all that. Parts are coming for that. I did already put 2 new hood struts on it because the hood wouldn't stay up, and I did smash the back of my head on it, so that was a quick fix. But other than that, I mean, it's a good truck. I mean, the guy that originally owned it, like I say, is a buddy of mine, took pretty good care of it, and this thing was his baby, and I just couldn't see it get carted off to a scrap yard or gutted out for parts. Mechanically, like I said, the motor was always in good shape, never gave him any issues. So now that the Airbnb part of it has been thrown away and cleaned out, you guys, stick around. I'm gonna do more cleaning videos on this thing, follow the progress of this thing, and drop comments down below. What do you guys think we should do with it? I mean, do we clean it? Do we daily it? Do we lower it? I mean, it's a half-ton two-wheel drive, so I don't see the point in really putting a lift kit in or anything. Or, I mean, do we throw a little eBay wonton war whistle on there and just full send it till Uncle Rodney shows up and kicks out the side of the block? I mean, it's up to you guys. What do you want, But I think we can get this thing back up and running and make it nice. So, like I said, drop some comments. Let me know what you guys think. So, I'm pretty excited about it. Like I said, I apologize for the video taking so long to get out, but just getting this thing out of the impound yard. The cops wanted, the title. They wanted to know what was going on with it. Then we had to figure out, well, how are we getting it out of there? And it was just a back and forth between the police and the impound yard. But we're able to pull this thing off. This thing is now part of next week's adventure project list. Don't worry, I still have the Jeep. I'm looking at it right there. We might possibly be going to Colorado with that thing soon, so that ought to be fun. But for right now, I'm going to focus on trying to get this thing cleaned up. Like I said, stay tuned. We're going to do a full clean out of this thing, and I can't wait to power wash these carpets and just see what colors come out of it. So the sweet aroma that was in here is slowly fading away, which is nice. I have been kind of lightly spraying it with some kind of carpet extractor cleaner to kind of cut the edge out. But yeah, I'm pretty excited. Hope you guys are too. Hope you follow along and follow the progress of what we can turn this thing into. But like I said, drop some comments. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know what you think I should do to it. And yeah, as always, thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. We'll see you in the next video.